Practical tips to organise your paperwork. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of organizetoexcel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for almost 15 years, and I'm here today to help you with your paperwork. Prioritise. I have 4 suggested methods for prioritising paperwork and increasing complexity: an in-out tray, a 3-level priority system, Stephen Covey's quadrant method, and tickler files. Use the one that suits you best and is going to be the easiest for you to maintain. Remember, the point is not to organise the paperwork, the point is to take action on your paperwork. In-out tray. An in-out tray is a very simple way to keep track of action items. When you have a task you need to complete or a reminder of something due, it goes in the in tray. Once completed, move it to the out tray. You can always look in your in tray to remind you of what you need to accomplish. 3-level priority system. There are many ways to do a 3-level priority system, according to what works for you. Create 3 folders and label them based on level of importance or urgency. Hot, warm, cold, do now, do soon, do someday, today, this week, next week, and red, yellow, blue are just a few ways to label these folders. This kind of system breaks down action items into easy to understand categories, so you can see at a glance what needs your attention. Stephen Covey's quadrant method. Stephen Covey, author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, had a simple way of categorizing tasks based on urgency and importance, and this works with paperwork too. The infographic shows how to use this system. Urgent and important. It's April 10th and your taxes are due April 15. Non-urgent and important. It's November 1 and you want to write your holiday letters to friends and family. Urgent and not important. You've been sent a survey from a random marketing company and the deadline is today. Not urgent and not important. You have some marketing material about a cruise that you might or might not go on in 18 months' time. Tickler files. Tickler files, which are file folders labelled with dates, are a great way to keep action item paperwork accessible and organised. Here are 2 ways to use them. 8 folders by week. This system consists of 1 folder for each day of the week and 1 folder for the next week or later. As you go through the week, complete items in the appropriate folder. Once a week, review the items in the next week folder and decide when to do them in the coming week. 43 folders by month. This is a more detailed system consisting of 31 folders, 1 for each day of the month, plus 12 folders, 1 for each upcoming month. At the beginning of the month, review all items in the monthly folder and sort them depending on which day you want them to do them. Complete items in daily folders daily to keep on top of your action items. Organizetoexcel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram and visit our website www.organizetoexcel.com.